wanted to wash my hair but found out that I ran out of shampoo, so I decided to make some from the scratch. For this shampoo, I got my leftover black soap, which I used in making my black soap for my skin. This is an all-natural soap which doesn't have any chemical additives and cleanses the scalp really well. I also got some black seeds which were left in my kitchen, and I also got some fenugreek seeds which I went ahead to grind. I remembered I had some leftover neem powder, which is great for removing dandruff and itchy hair. And then I also went ahead to add my cloves. So this is me mixing the whole ingredients together: my black seeds, my neem powder, my grounded fenugreek powder, and of course my cloves, which is going to serve as an antioxidant. It's very great for blood circulation in the scalp. It nourishes the scalp and it provides the scalp with the nutrients it needs to grow. Afterwards, I went ahead to break my black soap into pieces. That way it will be easy to dissolve in water. So this is me adding all my black soap. It wasn't really that much, but like I said, I needed a shampoo to wash my hair. It was really wash day for me today, and I had to go through this process. I added 2 cups of warm water to this soap for it to be able to dissolve pretty well. Then I started to stir it with my whisk. After stirring it, I left it for like an hour for it to dissolve pretty well on its own. So this is it. After over an hour, it's pretty much dissolved. Now it's time to separate my shampoo from every other thing that I added to it. You guys remember that I added some powders to it, and I didn't want to have particles in my hair while washing my hair, so I just got some sieve and sieved out the main shampoo, the liquid. This way I won't have any seeds or any particles in my shampoo. See how foamy that is. Then I went ahead to add some preservative, because this is something that I'll be using more than once, and I don't want mold to form in my shampoo. If you're going to be using this only once, you can just go ahead and skip this part of adding preservatives. Then I got a can, a sterilized can, pretty well washed can, and poured in my shampoo. Like I said, this will be serving me more than once, okay, because it's pretty foamy, so you can use this more than once. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you will always get notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.